good afternoon mga amiga at amiga. Today, I'm going to share on how to make a raw vegetable salad. It is important that we should eat raw vegetable salad because we all know that it is a highly nutritious and have a lot of health benefits of it. So guys, here we go. Let's start. And this is the ingredients on how to make raw vegetable salad. So before we start, we have to introduce. This is we call bitter gourd, or in Filipino we call this Ampalaya. And next is the carrots and cucumber. And this is the pineapple chunk or pineapple. And this is apple. This is just only an optional. This is the first time I'm going to make with a raw salad na I include apple. I just want to have an experiment. Most of the time I just only use the ampalaya, carrot and cucumber and the pineapple chunk. So, and a little bit salt, maybe 1/8 teaspoon, and the black pepper and the olive oil and the vinegar. So let's begin now. First, the ampalaya. You know, the ampalaya bitter gourd is rich in antioxidant. It has also an active detoxifying agent. So some of the benefits of this bitter gourd, it helps our digestive problems. It is good also for liver infections, heart problems, diabetes. So this is good for diabetes. And anti-cancer. It also treats defective neutral tube. Anti-aging benefits also. And this is good also for, I was so surprised also that this is good also for the skin. So it has an as I said, it's anti-aging and skin infection, and it regulates blood flow. That's it. So if you want to have a shiny and silky hair, you must eat ampalaya or bitter gourd. So that's one of the benefits, health benefits. Okay. So next is we have to put the carrots. Carrot, it is crunchy and tasty and healthy, nutritious. Okay. So while some of the benefits of these carrots has a good source of beta carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, and also has a potassium and an antioxidant. So kapag gusto nyo hindi kayo madaling tumanda, kumain na kayo ng carrots kasi marami siyang antioxidant. So next is the cucumber. This cucumber has low calories but it high in many important vitamins and minerals. It contains antioxidant again. My goodness, it promotes also hydration, and also may add in weight loss, and also it can lower the blood sugar. So blood sugar, yeah, is the pineapple. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant that fights the cell damage. Okay, so some of the benefits of these are it boosts your immunity, and it also strengthen your bones. So mga weak mga bones, if you just eat pineapple or piña in Filipino, and it also aid our digestions, and it also lower the risk of cancer. So it reduces period of cramps. So those girls na may dysmenorrhea, so you better eat this pineapple. And also it reduces arthritis pain. So yun. And then the next one, as I said, this is just only an optional. So I have to try, or let's say an experiment. I have to try to put some apple. These are so many incredible health benefits also on apples. So some of these, I just only give some. It improves your eyesight. So, and if you want, and also it builds stronger bones. And it gives your energy. And it also improves your brain function. And it also balances blood sugar levels. And aside from that, here, listen to all women. It improves fertility in women. So wow, you must eat apple every day.
Yeah.
So now you have to
apple.
mix all. You must eat apples.
Need Daisyrose. Tadena. Wanisa. Amiga Daisyrose. Tadena.
Now we have to put some vinegar.
Or
If you have a natural vinegar, much better. I mean the coconut vinegar.
What vinegar?
So I think I have to put some 1/4 vinegar in it.
I don't know.
So just 1/4 cup.
You.
And then some olive oil. If you have no olive oil, it's okay.
Amiga Daisyrose cannot buy olive oil.
Like that. So we put some, this is 1/8 cup of olive oil. Black pepper.
Black pepper. Black
Then,
pepper can
and then
even
a little bit salt.
a little bit salt is okay.
Then mix it. It's just very simple.
In 4 minutes.
I put,
No more.
so I think no need to put sugar.
No
Because the
put
pineapple
sugar.
and the apple are, they have a
put
natural
sugar.
sweetness on it.
Or
It's so yummy because it's so crunchy. Tama lang. The balance of the sour, the natural sweetness. Oh wow. Me, I love to eat this food. Wow.
Salami ah.
It's so crunchy. And
Should I
you can
try?
feel, you can taste the crunchy, the you cannot taste the bitter. You know guys, I just want to share the secret. When you slice the bitter gourd, you just prepare water with a little bit salt. So while slicing, you put it there. You soak
Yeah.
this for just a little minute. That's what I had been observed. So you cannot feel the bitterness on this ampalaya. So I don't know that the scientific
Amiga Daisyrose.
reason
Amiga
para siyang malalas
Daisyrose.
yung ano niya, yung bitterness. Ngayon hindi ko na taste yung pait niya. Kahit sa yung nagluluto ako ng ampalaya with egg, ganun din ang ginawa ko. You put in the water, the slicing. While you're slicing, you put directly to the water with a little bit salt, and then yun.
Ako.
And that's for, see that? Wow. And that's it. It's just very simple. It's just very quick. Okay? Hope you try it. And it's so really, really good. And really good for our health.
Amiga Daisyrose.